Most people don't overspend because they're bad with money. They overspend because their brains are wired to make buying feel right in the wrong moment. Think about the last time you bought something you didn't plan to buy. In that moment, it didn't feel like a mistake. It felt reasonable, or at least comforting. That's because impulse buying doesn't start with money. It starts with a feeling. When you see something you like, your brain doesn't treat it as a financial decision. It treats it as a chance to feel better right now. That feeling might be excitement, relief, boredom, or stress. Your brain doesn't ask, "Do I need this?" It doesn't ask, "Can I afford this?" The only question it cares about is, "Will this make me feel good right now?" And that's where the problem begins. The brain loves instant comfort. It hates waiting. That's why limited offers, flash sales, and the word now are so powerful. In those moments, long-term thinking quietly steps away. Emotion takes the wheel. One of the most common mistakes is thinking small purchases don't matter. We tell ourselves it's just a small amount. But the problem isn't that one purchase. The problem is repetition. Impulse spending is rarely one big mistake. It's many small decisions repeated over time. And slowly, those decisions drain the money that was meant for saving or investing. Another common mistake is using spending as a reward. After a hard day, we think, "I deserve this." And that feels logical, but the brain learns fast. It learns that relief equals spending, stress equals buying, and over time money becomes an emotional tool, not a financial one. Financially smarter people feel the same urges everyone else does. They feel the same pull, the same temptation. The difference is they don't act immediately. They create a small pause between feeling and action. Sometimes just a few seconds, but that pause is powerful. They ask themselves one quiet question: "Will I still want this tomorrow?" Very often, the answer is no, and the urge fades on its own. That pause creates space, and in that space, calm thinking returns. That's where better decisions live. The solution isn't to forbid yourself from spending. Restriction creates resistance, and the brain hates being controlled. The solution is delay. Tell yourself, "Not now." If it truly matters, it will still matter later. Another helpful rule is this: don't make money decisions when you're tired, stressed, or emotional. In those moments, your brain isn't looking for wisdom. It's looking for comfort. You can also make spending slightly inconvenient. Just one extra step. That small friction gives your brain time to wake up. In the end, impulse spending isn't a personal flaw. It's a human response to a world designed to push your emotions. When you understand this, you stop blaming yourself. And when blame stops, change becomes possible. Better money decisions don't come from force. They come from awareness. And awareness always begins with a pause.